Hey Liviana, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you over this video. All I ask in return is a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. That being said, let's jump right in. So the general gist of this video is to show you guys 3 simple things that you can do to your website in order to help rank it in Google for select key terms that are being searched each month. And I know that these terms are being searched every month because I use this software called Ahrefs. Shows me that there's actually 420 total searches every month for a plumber in Fullerton. And so typically with Google, about 10% of that turn into phone calls. But just to be conservative, we'll say, only 5% does. That's still an additional 21 calls every month. And so if you guys implement these next 3 things, you can get yourself there. So the first thing is content on the home page. So if we just copy everything that you see here, including all these images and how they're saved, and we just throw it into this word counter here, this is going to show us that you guys have 704 words on the home page. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words. And the reason being is Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. So the bigger your website is, the bigger their platform gets. And then they will reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you had 1,500 to 2,000 words and you targeted these exact key terms, Google is going to rank you for exactly what your customers are searching for. Just to kind of show you what your competitors are up against, to show you how easy it would be to rank over them, we just copy all of their stuff. They have right over 1,100. So 1,500 to 2,000 would easily outbeat your competitor. The second thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks. All a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which actually just passes power and relevance. So if we just copy your URL here, throw it into Ahrefs, this is going to show us the back end of your page. And so give it 1 second. As you can see, you guys have 35 links coming from 20 websites. And so it's passing a good little bit of power. However, this right here is Google's trust rating. As you can see, it's at 0. So Google doesn't really trust these links that are coming in. And the reason for that is, as you can see down here, only 35% of the links are actually passing relevant power. So that means the other links are on irrelevant resources. So the way that you can increase this is by taking your URL link like this and putting it on relevant sources like a plumbing blog post or other home improvement sites that have good metrics. And then that's going to be able to pass more power to the back end of your page through that link. And so once Google sees that those links are on real, topic relevant sources, then they're going to start trusting your links more. Just to kind of show you what your competitors are doing and what you're up against, we throw them in here. They have 34 links coming from 10, really similar to you guys, and they don't have a whole lot of trust either. So it'd be really easy for y'all to get just a few quality links, and then you can start ranking over them. The third and final thing I wanted to show you real quick is just citations. All a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Facebook, or the BBB. And what that does is it verifies that you are a local company and you're not just another website on the internet. And once you get that verified, then you can start ranking in this map pack. And that's important because these get about 25% more calls than these organic listings down here. So that's really all that I have for you guys today. I hope this was informative and helpful. All I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So thanks for your time and talk to you guys soon.